We've got a 1964 F100 short wheelbase, known as a Slick. It was painted a number of years ago. It was originally a postage truck, originally a Y-block V8. It's now got a 302 C4 trans, still a V8. Electronic ignition's been added, so it's just the kind of truck you can jump in and start every day, but it's still got the old suspension in. They're a perfect conversion to put a front end out of a Crown Vic in them. Gives you front disc brakes, nice suspension, power steer. It's a very simple changeover too. So this is known as a custom cab, but it's got all the chrome trim on it. Even this nice V8 badge on the front of the bonnet's chrome. As you can see, all around the windows is all nicely chromed and the wipers are all chromed. Interior is all original in this truck. You get that nice round 60s gauges. So on this truck we've got 15 by 8s, but they've got a negative 50 offset. On a standard wheel, they sit right underneath the guard, you know, up under here. To fill the guard out, you either got to run adapters or you've got a wheel that's in the right offset that'll fill the guard out. So that's why you end up with this big deep dish. Factory tyre size in these was something like a 225/75/15 or thereabout equivalent. These are a 235/75/15, so something just a little bit taller, a little bit wider.